my room is an actual mess right now, so let's clean. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like an organize with me video. Like, I feel like most of you who watch my videos, like, you guys seem to love to organize, or at least watch me organize. Like, you always ask me to make videos like how to organize your room, how to organize your life, how to be organized, how to organize your schoolwork, like everything. You love organizing. And today my room is really unorganized, so I thought, why not make a video like organize my room with me, so you guys can organize your room while I organize my room. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So, hi. What I need to do today is 1, organize my room. 2, organize my drawers. These. Change my sheets. They are disgusting. And like just clean up overall. Like, it's a mess. So my room is all clean now except for my bed. I still have to make it, but I'm washing my sheets and I still want to use the same ones because they're the cutest. So yeah. Anyways, my room is all clean now. This little corner in my room is all organized. My closet is pretty organized. Organized, not organized, super organized. Like, I don't think my drawers have been this organized in forever. Yeah, so done. clean now and I'm super excited, super happy. So I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought of it, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And yeah, I really hope that you liked this video. I know it was kind of different, not what I usually do, but I hope you liked it because I really enjoyed filming it. And I hope you liked that I switched between using this camera and my vlog camera. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!